Hey everyone, it's cubesapien.com, and here in this video I will show you how to fix the problem of screw stripping in a plastic core cube. So let's begin. So if the screw stripping cube core is your one setup cube which have lots of lube on it, then just clean it and put it in any degreasing agents to clean all the oil off and let it dry for some time to make it completely clean and tidy for the setup. So after you did that, use a stake and a screwdriver and one bolt of the cube and take the core and the screw. And now what you have to just do, you have to just put a single drop of super glue on the core top, only a little drop, not just much that you have to fix the screw for permanent on the core. So just put a little drops and just let it in and just put the screw in and just tighten the bolt here. You have to just do a little bit quickly, otherwise the screw may be fixed in here, and you have to just move the screw continuously for some time till the super glue inside the core gets dried. And after some time, when the screw feels a little bit tight, then you think that the super glue has been dried. And what the super glue will do, the super glue and will form a mule spiral inside the core which will fit the screw on it and prevents the screw stripping. So repeat this process in all the sides of your core. So after doing so, your core will fix the problem of screw stripping and it will go a long way. And if in any other case the same problem arises, you just do this for any screw stripping problem, but we should not to do in GANS cube because it has GES system. So hope you got the solution of the screw stripping problem of the core. So if you like this video, be sure to give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.